Thus, 25,000 seems inexpensive for business owners. Sir John, may magbabayad kaya sa akin ng 25,000 pesos a month? Para pong ang laki nun eh. Malaki po sa inyo yon kasi kung sahod nyo, ganito lang. Sa business owners, if you're gonna help them make money, why would they say no to you? You're bringing them customers. You're bringing them leads. You're bringing them clients. That's your job. 25,000, look, half lang yan po ng salary ng experience and full-time marketing manager. If they're gonna hire a full-time marketing manager na wala pa mga experience sa Facebook, half lang po ang babayaran na 25,000, half lang yan. In other words, they're gonna spend more money by hiring someone full-time, not to mention yung mga 13-month pay, benefits, and all those things. And number two, clients are usually wasting money on other form of marketing that's not working, like billboards, newspaper ads. Usually, ang mga business owners, they spend something that it doesn't really give them returns. Ang nangyari po kasi, ganito yung ginagawa nila, ganito ginagawa ng kalaban ko, so malamang kokopyahin ko sila. Ganun po yun, copy-copy. Kaya lang yung strategy, luma na. So kopyahan sila pero luma na. Another thing is you're trading money for money. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Becoming a marketing consultant, remember, you are bringing them money.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.